Cybersecurity, network security. Most popular online training courses. Cybersecurity, network security training with a lot of labs, workshops and gathering exercises of genuine contextual analyses, so as to set you up for this present reality issues and to have the option to handle all the related network security challenges. Network Security Training by Tonex presents the significance of security in networks and causes you to comprehend the principal segments of a made sure about network. Who could benefit? In the event that you are an IT proficient who spends significant time in network security, you will profit the introductions, models, contextual analyses, conversations, and individual exercises upon the finishing of the prologue to make sure about programming designing training and will set yourself up for your profession. Learn about the primary kinds of network assaults and security. The IEEE gauges for network security. Wired proportional protection, WEP, virtual private network, VPN, static IPs, and passage substitution in network security training. The idea of TCP/IP security. Authentication header protocol, IP4 and IP6. The multi-protocol label switching, MPLS. Training outline. Network security basics. Brief overview of public key infrastructure, PKI. Remote local area network, WLAN. LAN security. Web protocol security, and Internet Key Exchange version 2, IPsec 2. Progress security issues of IP4 to IP6. Multi-protocol label switching, MPLS, security. Test workshops and labs. Online training, live video course available. The coronavirus may have interrupted our lives, but we can make the most of this downtime by participating in an in-person live video course while working remotely. Simply request this option when inquiring about our courses. Request more information. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.